We've been hearing reports that some people don't really get how to use the OraBrush. Now, I'm no rocket surgeon, or even a dentist. But if anyone knows how to use the OraBrush, it's me.
The moment you wake up.
Before you put on your makeup.
You brush your little teeth for me. Take your OraBrush now. Make sure you don't have cotton mouth now. And brush your little tongue for me.
You want to make sure you have moisture on your tongue, either water or mouthwash. Now remember, a lady scrubs lightly, a gent scrubs gently. A demonstration. This is your tongue. Go back as far as you can, then tilt it up so the scraper makes full contact with the tongue, then pull it forward. Now don't swallow the thing. It's not a throat or intestine cleaner. Just go back as far as you can. If you're one of those people with a sensitive gag reflex, I'm sorry, but keep at it. That goes away with practice. Don't be surprised if you see a line of really gross crap along the top of the brush. This means it's working. This was in your mouth. You can see why I've been so concerned about this. A whole planet of people running around with septic fluids in the same mouths that they talk with, that they eat with, that they kiss with. It's disgusting! The OraBrush works because its bristles are designed after a surgical scrub brush, the same kind of bristles surgeons use to clean off their hands before they cut you open. That's why 9 out of 10 people can see the gunk. And if you don't see anything, that's okay. Surgeons don't see the stuff that comes off their hands, but that doesn't mean it's not there. Now, some people ask how hard they should brush. Here's a little tip. If your tongue is bleeding, you're brushing too hard. Like if you brush your gums too hard with a toothbrush, they bleed. A toothbrush. It's science. Maybe people have trouble because of all the OraBrush's complicated parts. There's the handle part, and the brush part. Wait a minute. I got it. And don't forget the ever-important scraper part. We recommend using the OraBrush twice a day, morning and night. Part of the oral hygiene routine machine. Do it after you eat smelly food, after you drink coffee, or after you're done smoking. The OraBrush lasts as long as your toothbrush. You should replace them at the same time. It can't last forever.
Forever and ever, you'll be on my tongue, and I will love you forever and ever. You'll be on
Now that you know how to use your OraBrush, spend some quality time with it every morning and night. If you still want practice, try it on your dog, on your cat, on your grandma. It's fun for the whole family. OraBrushing is the new pillow fighting in your underwear.
We'll love you together forever. You'll always be one, and I